Hello, welcome to Sephra Korea's cooking channel. I am her mom here. Today I am going to show a seafood recipe only. It's a dry bombil. Bombay duck, in other words. Have a closer look at this. It's about 30 thin bombils I brought from the market. I removed the head and the tail. Sometimes you get ready-made pieces. Now I have to dry roast it. You know why? Because these fins and all the dirt that is on the top, they will come out. And after this I have to soak it in hot water for at least 1 hour. Don't burn it, make it slightly brown. Just because it has to fry and become crisp. So that whatever fins are there, they come out. Keep on stirring. Dry roast. Do it on a medium flame. This is enough. Put it off. I'll separate it in a plate. Let it cool. Just let it cool before. See, like this, the extra dirt will come. Put it off. Let it dry so that I will have to remove the. It's hot now. See. Okay, and I'm making water hot. See, this way it has to be. Let it get cold. I made the water hot. I've got a dish here. Be very careful. See, all the fins now will come out by itself because it is. And allow it to soak for 1 hour. See, automatically. So this and it. Done. See. You want vegetable also. See, this Bombay duck are soaked for 1 hour. So I will wash it in another water. It has become soft. And see the dirt that has come out after soaking. See, it's very important. I'll wash it in another water and done. So that we are sure all the dirt is come out, and especially its fins which were dried. Okay, now these are the ingredients I'm going to use. Okay. These are the fresh ingredients and these are the dry powders. So as I am cooking, you will understand how much quantity and how I am doing, the method of it. And these are 2 onions finely chopped. I am not using the green chilies, I have kept it for something else. Light the gas. Keep it on high flame. Now, for this Bombil Sukka masala, I'll have to use a little extra oil, okay? So you can have a look. Let the vessel get hot. 2 tablespoons of oil I'll use. 2 serving spoons. Yes. Once the oil becomes hot, you put in the finely chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Now these are 6 to 8 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger, which I have finely chopped. Fry it nicely. It should become brown. Finely chopped onions, these are 2 onions, and fry them nicely. Saute them nicely so they also turn out slightly brown. Keep the flame high. Once the onions are slightly brown, add in 1 finely chopped tomato and saute it till it becomes soft. Add little salt because the fish itself is salty. Later on you can add more salt if you wish, depending upon the taste. Now it's time to add the masala. This is plain chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Garam masala, half teaspoon. Jeera, that is cumin seed powder, a small teaspoon. Turmeric powder, little. And this dry coriander powder. These are all roasted and made at home. 1 chota spoon. Fry this properly. Now is the time to add this. Stir it well so that even this dry Bombay duck bombil gets fried. This particular fish is made in the rainy season because fresh fish is not available, okay? And today I am not going to use tamarind pulp. I will use half teaspoon of mango powder, which is dry mango powder for the sour taste. Now, once the masala is fried with the dry bombil, put some water and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Pour water on this thali and keep on checking because this masala should not get burnt, okay? And every time you stir, you watch and keep on pouring this warm water, hot water into that. You can watch me the way I do. I have to check now if it is cooked. So let me take out one of the this thing and check. Yes, look, it gets cut, so it is cooked. Stir it and add the chopped coriander. Yes, now you can put it off. You saw me now, I showed you how to check if it is cooked. I smashed it on this and checked, okay? Don't make it a paste. Put it off. There are many variations of cooking this, okay? Sometimes they deep fry the Bombay duck. Deep fry and then cook it. Come. Neat.
Yeah, hands down. All the salt is missing.
I know the salt is less. I was so scared to put more salt. Salt is less, I know that.
Quite bland it became.
Is it? It's okay. Can add salt.
Nice. It's cooked well.
What about this thing?
It's cooked well.
You know why I was very
Salty.
because it's actually salty. I found it correct. You people like salty. I'll add little more salt when you're having your khana. Huh? Otherwise, what about the other things? Spice. Is it spicy? Too much?
Just medium.
Okay.
I think you could have done it more pungent.
You know, because it is salty fish, I added very less salt. Anyway, some like it more, some like it less. Okay? And my husband says the pungency is less. Actually, I found it correct. But anyway, next time I'll make more pungent for his sake. It's just nice, especially the garlic, ginger in that, you know, tasting very good. The salt is little less, yes. But very nice. Done. My dear viewers, enjoy cooking this dish and please subscribe to my daughter's channel. Thank you. Sukke. Julian, तो खान पड़े? Eat and see. खान पड़े? Dada munta salt is less. Salt is less, I know. You all like it little salty. And listen, how is the pungency? He found it should have been more pungent.
Salt is less.
Salt is less, I know.